Hi guys, my name's Stephanie. I'll be doing a upgrade of my nail polishes and all the other stuff I use to keep my nails nice and good. Yeah. So I'll start off with this cream over here. It's cuticle remover cream. It helps with making your nails really long. I'll go after the stickers. It's like a leopard print and a zebra print. I've used the zebra print once. It's pretty good. These are my nail. They're really good. Yeah, the filing things. This is one of them's cuticle softener and nail corrector. They're really good too. And I go on to the diamantes I put on my nails too, and the stickers. They're really cool. And nail polish removers, and then the designing stuff I use, and the alcohol, rubbing alcohol. And I go on to my nail polishes. There's a cream colour, a clear. I have two clears here. I'll show you the clears, the other ones later. A green, a silver, a purple, a baby blue that doesn't really work that good, a brown, no why I have brown, and I have this purpley, grey, blacky looking colour. I have yellow, I have a sparkly moonlight blue, I have a dark blue, I have a catwalk electric blue, I have a violet colour, I have another, what's it called, clear, I have a red, I have another sparkly blue, I have a red, I have another brown, I have a couple of stuff like that, I have blue, I have a sparkly retard looking one, I also have this red model one, I have this blue nail polish from overseas, but I don't know from where, which one. This is TBN, it's a purple. This is a black, it's a mode. It's pretty good. This is LA Colors. This is really good too. I got this a couple of days ago. BYS is not bad, but it's pretty good too. A black that doesn't have a name on it. That's weird. But this is really good. I gave my really good black one to my cousin. This is another sparkly black I use all the time. Yeah, I love it, but it doesn't have a thing on it. This is satin. It's not that good, so I prefer for you guys not to buy this one. I got this cream that doesn't have a logo thing on it. This one, it's like a cream one too. This, it's Glamour. It's from overseas too. Got from my cousin. This has no logo. It's just a kiss to front. This is a top coat for the French nail tip thing. I use it all the time. I have this red that's from overseas too. This from overseas, OSLD. It's really good. It's a fluoro pink. I have this other fluoro pink too. I love it. It's mode. I did my nails last week. This is blush nail polish. It's a baby pink. It's really good. Satin again. I prefer not to buy it. Another satin one. This is better than that one just there, and I just showed you. It's like a purpley pink. This is a cracked nail polish, a BYS, but with these ones here, you have to use the actual BYS colours to make it crack. This is a catwalk one. It's really good. This I've used a lot. This is the mode I got a couple of days ago. It's a baby pink, a red. It doesn't have a logo on it. A little baby cream colour. It's really good, but I don't know what the thing is. The logo. This is rock something, but it's a really good orange. I've stuffed it up, but yeah. This is a cream again, a brownie looking colour. It doesn't have a logo. LM. It's from overseas, but it's like really good. I use it for the French tip. The design's a nail. Two different designs. Black. I don't know what the logo is, but this is a BIS again. You can use it with the cracked. It's a purple. It's a dimmed purple. This is Quick and Go. It dries in 45 seconds. It's pretty good. I love it. And then it's the nail polish. Then yeah, it's a midnight blue. And last but not least, a sparkly pink. And that's all my nail polish. Sorry I didn't show you the front. But yeah, it's all like pinks and yeah, greens. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.